recently the Arizona Court of Appeals came down with a decision which I think is very interesting, and I think it's absolutely right. And that decision is that you can't impose a law that says you can't panhandle at night in Phoenix. And this is one of these laws that on the face of it was passed in 2003. It sounds extraordinarily reasonable. Sounds like it makes a lot of sense to, if you're walking down a dark street at night, do you really want to have people asking you for money? Do you really want to have panhandlers approach you? So it's a law that makes a lot of sense. It's a law that you would say, all right, what's wrong with that? The problem with it, as the Court of Appeals determined, is that it also bans a lot of other activities that you think would be totally legal. For example, a Salvation Army employee wouldn't be able to ask anybody for money after dusk because technically they would be running afoul of the law. It also would permit panhandling if nothing was spoken. So someone could still hold a sign in front of a person saying, hey, give me some money please, I'm hungry, desperate, what have you. And it's one of these laws that I think is very important that it gets struck down, because the freedom of speech, even if it's speech that we don't appreciate or want, is extraordinarily important. And any time that we are abridging someone or restraining someone from saying something, even if we don't want them to say it, it really needs strict scrutiny. It really should require a very, very important reason for the law to exist. There already is a law in Arizona or in Phoenix that prohibits anything that would reasonably make somebody afraid. So a very aggressive panhandler who's touching somebody or won't take no for an answer, that's illegal. And I think that maybe that should be illegal. But just asking or speaking with somebody on the street, just the act of saying something, I think should never be illegal. And obviously I'm not happy about being approached by panhandlers downtown all the time, but I'm very happy that those people have the right to do so. If you'd like to speak with a criminal defense attorney, you can always give us a call, 602-989-5000. My name is Nick Alcock. I'm the owner of Alcock & Associates, and thanks so much.